This is my dog called Jack. I wanted to show you something very funny. He's a bit sleepy at the moment. And I think he's that sleepy I'll be able to pick his head up and move him around without him waking. Yep, he's a bit sleepy. See that? And he's staying moved. That's how much asleep he is. So we can pick him up again, yeah? There we go. See? Floppy head. Floppy head. He's well out of it. Lying back down. It is a real dog. And he is alive, I'm joking. Jack! Jackie boy! Let's get in a bit closer, right? Let's show you it is a real dog. See his eyes open now? No, son. No, Jack. See, there he is, he's moving. Oh. Yep, he was a real dog. His name's Jack. And if he's well asleep like that, he gets a floppy head. Well, that's it from GeeksTech. I just wanted to show you my funny dog. Until next time, see you later.